Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan and I'm happy to have you. And I'm just gonna quickly go through and show you what I got from the Sephora spring sale. I do have Sephora Rouge. Well, I am Sephora Rouge, which they just have, if you're not familiar, they have different tiers. So it's Beauty Insider, VIB, and Rouge, and it's based on how much you've spent in a year. I'll put the link down in the description to where you can find out all the information on their website. Depending on which tier you are, there are different benefits. So I did get 20% off of everything that I am about to show you. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go through. So the first thing that I got were these little Sephora hair clips. Oh, the lights. The lights are bad. Let me pull these out of the package. They're just little clips to put your hair up when you're doing your makeup without leaving creases. So I was kind of sad that they only had this one set in pink and white, because I would have really loved to have had some in black, but I'm not planning on wearing them out to be fashionable, so it's fine. And then I also got the Aether Beauty Joshua Tree. This packaging is so cool. So it's not just like geometric drawings. The palette itself, I don't know if you can tell, but the actual palette is like raised. Like, it is actually a geometric shaped palette. So that's pretty cool. Very pretty. Oh, plastic. I am disappointed that the shade names are on the plastic. I hate that, but also, but here are the shades. So I will be doing a video with this as well as some other items that are in here very soon. There's going to be a theme with lots of Drunk Elephant products. I am going to do 30 days of dedicated Drunk Elephant only skincare. And I'm going to start that on May 1st and then go through the entire month of May. Does May have 31 days? It'll either be 30 or 31 days, however many days are in May. The first thing that I have in here, this was what I got with my insider points, and I actually got 2 of these kits. They were 500 points each, so I just put in, I just made 2 purchases so that I could get both kits. But this comes with 4 products, and I did already open one of the kits. So it has the Kamali Cream Body Cleanser, the Sealy Body Lotion, the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, and then a little melting butter cleanser. So a nice little mix of stuff. I will say I used the lotion and it is amazing. The one thing that I got from during the spring sale that isn't in here is the lotion, because after I tried the lotion from the kit, I went ahead and made a purchase for the lotion while I could still get it for 20% off, but it hasn't come yet because that just happened today. And then I have a bunch of perfume samples because they sent me 8 million samples of the same perfume. And then so before they had the kits, I had already ordered this. This is the Nice to Meet You set from Drunk Elephant. And this has a Proteiny Polypeptide Cream and a Soleil, I think that's how you say it, Soleil, the Melting Makeup Cleanser, which I always double cleanse. So I always use a balm or an oil to get all of my makeup off, and then I use a cleanser. So I haven't tried theirs yet. And their balm also comes with like a charcoal powder that you can add to it once or twice a week to make it a physical exfoliant, which is kind of interesting. The Proteiny Polypeptide Cream was my first like drunk elephant obsession. I've gone all the way through like a full size one twice already. So that's amazing. Next I have a Nars. This is the mini size, the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Chantilly Light. I got this as well as the Laura Mercier. This is the Secret Blurring Powder for under eyes. I got these because Taylor Wynn did a video on like how to get creaseless under eyes. So we are going to do a video trying out her creaseless under eye technique and see if it works for me. Next, this is also, there are some Drunk Elephant hair products now, and these are new products that while they were having a sale I wanted to try. This is the Wild Marula Tangle Spray. Yeah, I don't know why they called it a tangle spray. It should be a detangle spray. It's a detangler and a heat protectant, and I haven't had an opportunity to use it yet, but I did smell it and it smells really good. This is a super fine weightless leave-in mist that effectively detangles and smooths while restoring natural movement, manageability, and shine without weighing hair down. So I'll be trying that. Once I've tried it and have an opinion on it, I'll let you know. This is the other hair product that I got. This is the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub, and this is a 10% AHA, so it's an alpha hydroxy acid, but it's for the scalp. So it has, the end is almost like what you would see on bottles when you get like hair dye. And so you're able to like get it on your scalp. You put it on your scalp and leave it for 10 minutes before you get in the shower. And then you get in and wash it out. And it helps to turn over the skin cells on your scalp, which can help with hair growth. So I'm excited to try that because I do definitely tend to use physical exfoliants on my scalp, like sugar scrubs and stuff. So having a chemical exfoliant, I'm interested to use it and find out. This is Olaplex number 3. So Olaplex is a bond repair for your hair. There's a really good video that explains it that I'll try to remember to link down in the description if you're interested in Olaplex. Olaplex is amazing for everybody. I do get the salon version of Olaplex. Okay, my memory card died. So, Olaplex, I do use the salon treatment. Part of the salon treatment, Olaplex number 2 is the bond treatment. Olaplex number 1 gets your hair ready for the bond treatment. Olaplex number 2 has a high concentration of the bond treatment. Olaplex number 3 is the same as Olaplex number 2, essentially, but it has a lower concentration of it, and it's for home use. This stuff is amazing. They have this double-sized bottle now, which makes it less expensive per ounce. Super exciting. I swear by it. I got the Charlotte Tilbury. I've never tried anything from Charlotte Tilbury, and I've always wanted to. So I got the little Pillow Talk lip kit, which just comes with a mini Pillow Talk lip pencil and a mini Pillow Talk lipstick. I got the Urban Decay Naked Cherry Highlight and Blush Palette because I want to do a an Urban Decay video with all Urban Decay products, and I realized I didn't have an Urban Decay blush. And this was on sale, and then an extra 20% off. And the last thing that I got, which is Drunk Elephant, it's the Littles kit, and it's just mini sizes. So I'll be using this along with the other things that I have to do the full month of Drunk Elephant products. So if you're curious about that, then that video will be up probably, I might do an introduction video at the beginning, but most likely what I'll do is just make all of it one video. So the introduction portion and all of it will be in one video so that you can see where my skin starts to where it gets to, and whether or not Drunk Elephant products are worth it as a dedicated brand. If you've noticed in this video, it looks like the green eyeshadow comes down here. I realized after I did this that because of the shadow on my face, when I'm directly in these lights, it looks like the green eyeshadow is down here, but there's not actually any green eyeshadow down there. It's just the way that the shadow on my face looks with this eyeshadow. So yeah, that's a thing. All right, so if you purchased anything during the VIB sale, then I'd be curious to know down below what you got. Maybe there are some new products that I should think about getting when they have their fall sale. And yeah, that is that for this video. A pretty quick and easy one. I hope that you are having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. Bye.